Okay, today Terziq want to show us one of his invention. That is what is it called? What is
It's
it called?
called a paddle and a blowing boat.
Huh?
It's like a paddle and a blowing boat. So first you just paddle it like this. We'll put it
Wait.
Yes, okay. We'll put it here. Just in case someone turn it.
So the power is from the balloon, from the air.
Mm-hmm.
Balloon, okay. So you blow the balloon and then
Okay, after that, there's a bubble.
oh,
See?
so the power is
Except
from the
for that's
power.
not how it happened. Oh, what? Let's just use this time.
I think
Hmm?
I think we need to put this here in this area because you have the power from this spin,
This-
right?
This
From
can just
that
be like that.
spin. Hmm?
It can turn back and forth.
Okay.
Okay, stop that. Okay, we just turn this. Usually you need to do this one first, but we go to sleep. Okay, now 3, 2, 1, and go. See, it's like
Okay.
it has reached its destination.
Okay. Also, this pin should be which way? I mean, it's gonna be.
Usually in this long time ago, I
It's
did.
supposed to be in line with the air. What do you call that?
I know it's
Air
in line like
push.
this. It's like this.
Oh, okay, I see.
The
So
drivers are
you got the
here.
power from here and from this pin and then from the air, right?
This can both of them can do it
From
by
the
themselves.
from the air from the balloon, right?
Tomorrow, can I record how to make this?
Okay, of course. Okay, thank you for showing us your invention for today. Do you have a name for your invention?
Bau paddle boat.
Bau Paddle?
Because there's a balloon paddle boat. So okay, Bau paddle boat.
Okay. So you combine the name, right?
Whee!
Okay, thank you, Adek. Do you want to greet us? Like say something to us?
Subscribe.
Thank you.